Good morning, traders. A quick recap video on Euro Aussie, taken for a -1% loss from last week. So quickly break down why I was interested and really what happened. So if we look here, we can see we had this area of support here and here. Also, price had rejected this huge monthly resistance with a head and shoulders pattern as well. Did look like it's come back, but it's slightly slanted, but it is at this level here. I was interested in a downside move, mainly because of that huge body closure engulfing these two previous weeks. On the daily, it's a little bit more obvious. So on the daily, we had the high, and then we had lower highs, and then an even lower high here. So at this point here, I was waiting for a breakdown. There was a couple of negative confluences, so you can see we had support, but as long as we had sort of a good rejection, it still would have worked out. So on the 4 hour, you can see the 4 hour 50 EMA wasn't basically being reacted to, so therefore it didn't play any, didn't play into my analysis at all. But on the 1 hour, you can see 1 hour does work here as dynamic support and resistance. So when I took this, it was literally just there. It was the close of this 1 hour candle on the rejection of that 1 hour 50 EMA. Alongside that was 382 Fibonacci, and then normally my stop would have been here, but if you look, we'd have had a resistance level here, so I didn't want to have my stop here. I could have had it there, which would have given it a little bit of breathing room, but really wasn't enough. And if I would have had it above the recent high, my risk reward would have been skewed. So I just wanted to have it higher than this level here. So that would have been the first point, that would have been the second point, and then a little bit of breathing room just brought it up to this level here. On the weekly, you can see where I was targeting. So weekly would have been this downward slope, this upward sloping trend line just here. Now if you zoom out, 2013, we've made one. That could have been the third touch there, because we are forming a long-term wedge on Euro Aussie. It's interesting to see what will happen next, because it does look like price is going to come back to this level, but we'll just see how it plays out.